Here's a quick and dirty idea for you when you're wanting to turn off these electrical outlets. I'm in a kitchen, so usually in a kitchen when you have plugs on the wall like this, plugs those are electrical outlets. Some people will say, hey Joe, those aren't plugs. You put a plug into an outlet. But, okay, you see here, there's a test button on there. So see this light here? This one, I think, is going to be controlled by this one here. Okay, there's a test button on there. And so I'm going to press the test button. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, the power's off to that. And the power's off to that. So I don't have to turn off the actual breaker. Okay, now this one probably is by itself, and see the test button is right here. So we'll put this in. So see this tester, that's pretty cool. Light goes on. Wow, I can't see, that's that, but I can't reach in there to get that. So let's just see. I'm just gonna do it just for safety. See? Okay, now well, the power's off to that, but I don't know. If I touch the side of that, would I actually still get shocked? I'm not sure if I will or not. You know, if I were not if I turn those, because the power is all the way off to that. But see this one here where the little red light is still on. If this was off, if I was working around there, and if I touched two screws at the same time, I think that I would still get shocked, even though this is off. Okay. Does that make sense? So you could probably turn the breakers off, but I'm really not going to be too close to this one. I got to do just a little bit of work on that and this, especially right here, because I got to bridge the mud from here over and at the top too. So I know right now there's no power to this one at all, because that one's fed off of that GFI outlet. Okay, there's a tip for you. Okay, well, as I'm waiting for this to dry, I just wanted to show you something here that I thought was pretty slick. The owner decided, you see these, here's a mini blind on this door. The handle used to be the opposite direction. It would always fit in here and stuff, and they flipped it around the other way, and I thought that's kind of slick. It's kind of unconventional look, but it really works out good, because then it's out of the way of the mini blind. How did they do that? Because the screws are the same on this side. What they ended up doing, some handles you're able to do it, you pop a little pin right in here, push it, pop this off, and so they took the handles and they flipped them. See, this one here used to be on the inside, and they were able to flip it here, and now it kind of dips down that way. And this one, this is how I like to have it look, but this is on the outside, and that's okay. They end up doing that. Very seldom do they use the outside anyways. There's a way you can fix that just like that. Kind of like that.